and Indians scripted many historic moments in 2025. And one such achievement is the Indian blind women's cricket team's inspirational T20 World Cup victory. Led by Deepika TC, the team won the World Cup without losing a single match. PM Modi articulated the thoughts and emotions of 1.4 billion Indians when he said that each player in this team is a champion. And this victory will inspire generations to come. We are proud to honor this amazing team as the Indian of the Year 2025, inspiring champions of the world.
Please raise your hands for the women's blind cricket team, T20 World Cup team, winning team led by the captain Deepika here with us, and they have the magnificent trophy with them. I've seen many a cricket World Cup trophy, but certainly this one steals the show. We'll get the trophy on the stage in just a bit, but please come. Congratulations. This is the winning team of the inaugural Blind T20 Cricket World Cup. A standing ovation, please, for our recent champions. There's no dearth of cricket champions in India, but they have certainly done the Indian country proud. I'll request Indu ma'am to lead the honors, but everyone please come closer and together so that you can all take part in this. Come girls, come forward. Amazing. And it has been an amazing win by these girls. I will begin by, having our dignitaries on stage, maybe say a word or two about the achievement, and then of course we'll hear from the girls themselves. Gaganam, can I begin with you?
Well, I'm a little lost of words with the kind of determination these girls have shown. I think they say talent gives you opportunity, but it's character and consistency that makes you champions. And I think these girls have made India proud by showing character and consistency. And we're so very proud, overwhelmed by your achievement, and all the very best for you in the future.
Absolutely. Go ahead. Go ahead. Why don't you go ahead?
Why don't you speak? आप बोलो जो भी बोलो हिंदी
आपकी ये जो T20 वर्ल्ड कप में जो जीत हुई है उसके बारे में हमें बताइए कि टीम ने सेलिब्रेट कैसे किया और इस जीत के क्या मानने हैं टीम के लिए.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन. बहुत प्राउड है हम लोगों को. फर्स्ट एवर विमेंस T20 वर्ल्ड कप है ब्लाइंड क्रिकेट. रिसेंटली नॉर्मल क्रिकेट आल्सो विन द वर्ल्ड कप. पूरा टीम को साथ हम बात किया. वी आल्सो विन द मैच. हम भारत को कप लेके जाऊंगी डेफिनेटली ऐसे बात किया. वी विल प्रूव दैट. हमारा लड़की लोग बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया, इसलिए ये हम वर्ल्ड कप लेने के जरूर हो गया. थैंक यू सो मच कैबी एंड समर्थनम महांतेश सर, SBI बैंक, LIC, इंडसइंड बैंक. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन.
जो भी बोलो.
सबसे मुश्किल क्या था इस वर्ल्ड कप में?
सबसे मुश्किल तो मतलब फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड कप था हमारा. बहुत नर्वस हो रहे थे हम. और फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड कप में ही हम वर्ल्ड कप जीत गए. बहुत खुश लगा. और मतलब वर्ल्ड कप इंडिया ने ही ऑर्गेनाइज किया था और वर्ल्ड कप इंडिया में ही रहेगा. बहुत खुश लगा हमको.
बिल्कुल. क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट था T20 वर्ल्ड कप, तो इसके लिए आपने कुछ स्पेसिफिक तैयारी करी थी? कैसे अप्रोच किया था?
बिल्कुल. वर्ल्ड कप होने से पहले हम लोग का प्लान था 3-4 साल से ही कि एक ब्लाइंड बॉयज का ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, लेकिन लड़कियों के लिए कोई मतलब वर्ल्ड कप नहीं हुआ था. तो केबी और समंतरम की और महंते सर की प्लान थी कि हम एक लड़कियों के लिए भी वर्ल्ड कप कराएंगे. तो वो दिन आया तो हमने सोचा कि यार इंडिया में वर्ल्ड कप हो रहा है तो बिल्कुल हमको ही लेना है वर्ल्ड कप।
किसी को चांस ही नहीं देना है।
नहीं, बिल्कुल किसी को चांस ही नहीं देना है। और बात रही कि ये श्रीलंका में हुआ था फाइनल मैच, तो हम किसी और की कंट्री से हम खुद के कंट्री में लेके आए, तो हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा। थैंक यू केवी समर्थनम, इंडसइंड बैंक, SBI बैंक, और जिन्होंने हम लोग को इतना सपोर्ट किया, और भी आगे सपोर्ट करते रहे, और हम बहुत सारे वर्ल्ड कप लेके आएंगे।
Absolutely, we want more World Cups. I just want to say that, you know, there are extraordinary stories as far as these girls are concerned. Of course, they, you know, they have visibility impairment and so on and so forth. But, you know, there are personal tragedies as well. Like some of them have lost their mother, you know, with having this disability to deal with or impairment to deal with. They lost one of their parents early. One of them was abandoned by their father and had to be brought up by the single mother. So it's not just, you know, physical challenges. The challenges are absolutely, they seem insurmountable, but they have shown that absolutely no challenge is insurmountable. So amazing, the stories. What is your message to the country जो देख रहे हैं लोग आपको? क्योंकि लोग सोचते हैं कि blind girls के लिए difficult होता है, especially sports खेलना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. तो आप उनको अपनी journey के बारे में क्या बताना चाहोगे?
ब्लाइंड लड़कियों के लिए खेलना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है, क्योंकि उन लोग के लिए ग्राउंड जल्दी अवेलेबल होता है, और जो नॉर्मल ग्राउंड रहता है वहाँ जाके वो नहीं खेल सकती। तो मतलब बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम आते हैं, लेकिन हमारी लड़कियाँ जो भी मिलता है उनसे बहुत अच्छे से करते हैं और बहुत अच्छा प्रैक्टिस करते हैं।
I just wanted to request our dignitaries on the stage also to please say a word.
Just a big hearty congratulations to all of you. I think this speaks volumes for Nari Shakti. We didn't just win the Women's World Cup, we won the Blind Women's World Cup. I think that really goes to show that women can show the world how it's done.
Absolutely. Sir?
I think you took my words. I was just saying what a year it's been. The World Cup was won by the women, and now our young girls over here have won the Blind World Cup. It's phenomenal. It's truly unbelievable that if you put your mind to something, you can truly achieve it. So hopefully, jaise aapne kaha, a lot more World Cups coming our way.
Absolutely. We want more World Cups coming in. Thanks a lot, and a big round of applause to all of our girls here. What a story this has turned out to be. And we'll stand here for our photo op as well. Let's just close in a little bit.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause, a thunderous applause, in fact, for these women who are not just a matter of pride for India. In fact, what they have done is take a game like cricket, which is all about being seen, but they are only all about looking inwards into the soul. And yet they carry themselves with utmost humility and resilience. Let's have a huge round of applause once again, please. Thank you to our esteemed jury. Thank you, Shivani. Thank you so much.